What's up, guys? Welcome back to another recap video. So I ended up trading Ater, ATER, yesterday, April 5th, 2022. So I'm gonna be going over it today. So first, I want to show my executions, and then I'll show you guys why I ended up trading it, or what my pre-market plan was. So first things first, you kind of see how I started entering here at this 390 level, and then I waited for this 412, which was pre-market high. And then I was basically gonna wait to see if it hit 450, but once 423 top rejected, and then we broke back under that pre-market high, I figured, okay, so it's it's probably gonna that's probably gonna be the top. So I added a little bit more, and then it continued to reject that 412 again, but it wasn't getting over pre-market high. Then you kind of have this trend line break here and support break. So I figured, all right, I think this is probably a good spot for me to enter the rest of my size and try to get in above 4, because we had room to 370s, 360s, 350s. So basically, once I added the rest there, I was basically just waiting for 385s to start scaling out, then into 380s, 375s. Then we had this little bounce here, drew this little trend line, and it kind of lined up with it, broke, and basically started piecing out again into the 368s, 364, 360s. I was waiting for 355, but it didn't end up getting there. And then we're already past almost 7:30, so that was basically my time to exit. And that ended up being the entire trade. But you could see kind of how the whole day played out. I ended up hitting 335. So this is kind of where I got out, right here in this little spot. So you can see this was basically day 2, and it was getting near those highs, and it was just at 250 previous day. On this day it was at 4. So basically it was starting to look like a giant flag here, like it was gonna break out, make new highs. But to me, it just felt like this is potentially gonna be a fake breakout. So, and then this trend line here, pre-market, you had this trend line. So I figured if we bounce off that trend line and we fail those highs, we could see a move back into that trend line and then break, and then goes lower for the rest of the day. So you can see here I ended up retesting these after hour lows. So it's a good indication of your final target, I guess. And seeing today just ended up going lower, 320s. But yeah, that was pretty much the overall idea why, I was looking into those 390 resistance was yesterday's high. So that's why I figured I'll start scaling in there, but wait for confirmation that this was going to reject pre-market highs to continue to add. And that was pretty much the trade. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Hit me up on my Discord. I'll post the link in the description in case you want to join that. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Bye.